Imitation games are a fantastic way to engage with your baby, enhancing their listening, observational, and mimicry skills. By imitating animal sounds, facial expressions, or simple gestures, you encourage your baby to watch, listen, and repeat after you, which supports their language development and social skills. These playful interactions are not only fun but also instrumental in your baby's cognitive and emotional growth. Let's explore how you can incorporate imitation games into your daily routine to foster learning through play. Activity: imitation games. Getting started. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you and your baby can focus on each other without distractions. Ensure your baby is in a happy and receptive mood for the best engagement. Steps for play. Animal sounds. Begin by making simple and recognizable animal sounds, such as a cat's meow or a dog's woof. Pause after each sound to give your baby a chance to respond or imitate. Facial expressions. Show a variety of facial expressions to your baby, such as big smiles, surprised faces, or sticking out your tongue. Encourage your baby to try mimicking your expressions. Hand clapping and waving. Demonstrate simple hand movements like clapping, waving, or blowing kisses. These actions not only teach mimicry but also improve fine motor skills. Body movements. For older babies, you can include simple body movements like nodding your head, shrugging your shoulders, or tapping your feet. This adds a physical element to the game and supports gross motor development. Benefits. Language development. Imitating sounds and words lays the foundation for early language skills and vocalization. Social and emotional skills. Engaging in back-and-forth imitation games enhances social interaction and emotional bonding with your baby. Cognitive growth. Observing and mimicking actions encourage problem-solving skills and cognitive development. Motor skills enhancement. Copying movements and expressions improves both fine and gross motor skills. Tips for maximizing engagement. Exaggerate your sounds and expressions to capture your baby's attention more effectively. Keep the sessions short and sweet to match your baby's attention span, ensuring the experience remains enjoyable. Celebrate any attempt at imitation, whether it's a sound, movement, or expression, with plenty of smiles and positive reinforcement. Introduce new sounds and actions gradually to keep the game interesting and challenging. Embrace the joy and developmental benefits of imitation games with your baby. This simple yet powerful form of play can significantly enhance your baby's learning and growth, all while providing endless fun and laughter. For more creative play ideas and developmental insights, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Discover a wealth of resources and support designed to help you nurture your child's potential every step of the way.